Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this unicorn kind of shimmery look, and I hope you guys like this video, and let's just move on to the tutorial. I already have my foundation on and now I'm just clipping my hair out of the way. I'm starting out with the shade Tranquil from the Profusion Wanderlust palette and using it with a fluffy brush as my base for all the other colors. Using the shade Regal in my crease and blending it all through to make an even coat of the color. I'm now blending out the previous shade with Go Girl, a deeper pink color, and kind of adding a bit more warmth to everything. Using my finger, I'm applying Serious to my eyelid and brightening everything up a lot more. It's a very beautiful shade with a lot of blue and gold reflex. I'm deepening the outer corner of my eye with Splash, a nice deep blue color. This will kind of blend together between the purple and the green. For further blending and deepening, I'm adding Regal once again, but on the very outer corner of my eye, simply connecting the crease to the outer corner with the blue and the purple. Going back into Splash, I'm going to add some deepness to the outer corner of my lower eyelid, blending everything together with the top. I'm applying Illusion to the inner core of my eye to brighten everything up a lot more. Finally, I'm adding Serious to my lower eyelid, brightening up the inner corner of it. I'm now using this black eyeshadow as my eyeliner, applying it in a slightly downward slope and giving the eyes a little bit of doll-like look. I'm also drawing on little fake eyelashes on the bottom as well. I'm also applying the Mega Wear Mascara by Wet n Wild to my upper and lower eyelashes. I'm now brushing the shade Coat through my eyebrows, giving them a straight and natural look. I'm using this Maybelline blush in Deep Coral and applying it to my cheeks. It's not very pigmented, so I try to get as much as I can out of it. Applying this white eyeshadow as my highlighter and using my fingers and applying it very generously to my nose and cheekbones, as well as my upper lip. For the last step, I'm applying this lip shimmer from Burt's Bees onto my lips. If you don't have a lip shimmer, you can just use a shimmery eyeshadow and some lip balm instead, or a shimmery lip gloss. And now I'm just letting my hair down and combing it out. Well, that was the tutorial. This is the finished, completed look. A very soft, rainbowy kind of look. I hope you guys liked this video. and I hope you come back for my next video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday every week, and that is all. So thank you for watching.